Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Coming to homeopathic form of treatment, we have seen how allopathic form of treatment is designed and for what purpose it is designed, and also we have seen the risk factors associated with it, right? Now we will see how homeopathy will be beneficial. The first thing is that we do not give any sort of painkillers so that you don't have to use any proton pump inhibitors along with it, and it will not destroy your gut bacteria. We will not put any intrauterine devices into you. We are not giving you any contraceptives so that you can plan your pregnancy accordingly. We are not going to give you medicines or hormonal pills wherein if you stop it for 1 or 2 days, if you forget about it, there is no intermenstrual bleeding associated, and also the hormonal pills will cause weight gain in majority of people, but that is not seen in homeopathy, and hormonal pills can cause acne and also hair fall, so that is not seen in homeopathy. Apart from that, we have seen what is not seen in homeopathy. We'll see what homeopathy can do. So if you see, fibroids are usually caused by either by hormonal imbalance or genetic factors. See, the hormonal imbalance, we do not have any specific conventional form of treatment which, if you use for 3 or 6 months, you will get cured and you will never have a hormonal imbalance again. It's not like that, right? But in homeopathy, we can give medications based on your cycle. Some people have stress and therefore develop hormonal disruption. Some people have improper sleep cycle, therefore develop hormonal imbalance. Some people have very bad lifestyle, therefore they can cause, or it can cause, hormonal imbalance. We have medications for each one of them, and also by using our medications you can feel better psychologically as well as physically. If you use homeopathic treatment on a proper term or in a timely fashion, it will help you in giving you better health. It will balance out your hormones, and not only that, it will help you in dealing with your stress also, and it changes the response of your stress. Like, some people respond in a different manner to given trigger or to given stress. Some people start to weep, some people start to become an introvert, they do not like sharing anything, some people start brooding. So that response to a trigger can be changed in homeopathic form of treatment by giving conventional form of medication. And apart from that, it will balance out your menstrual cycle, where your 35 days period of menstruation, or your 15 days cycle of menstruation, or your heavy bleeding, all of that can come to control in a timely fashion. And also there is improvement in anemia by giving constitutional medication. Your gut bacteria and also your gut will help in absorbing the nutrients in whatever food you are taking, so the absorption capability will increase, your lethargicness will decrease, your cortisol level will decrease, thereby you feel refreshed after sleep. Your sleeping pattern also, like some people have insomnia, especially if you're under stress, so that also might increase. Your sleep can also increase, like your sleep can be regularized, or you feel refreshed after sleep. And also there is improvement in this iron deficiency anemia after giving constitutional medication, because the body will help in absorbing all of these nutrients to become a better you. Coming to the consultation part, if you're someone who's suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, remember Fidelis Homeopathy is the best choice. Here we have two kinds of consultation options, one being the online consultation option, the second being the in-person or the offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're someone who's staying really far from our Fidelis branch, you can contact us either through audio or through video consultation. After the case taking has been done, we will ask you for necessary investigations. If you have already got it covered, you can share it with us. And if you have not, we will tell you what investigations you should be doing, and you can get it done and share the results with us. After the whole procedure has been done, especially to the online clients, medicine will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach you. If you're someone who is suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or messages on this number to take doctor consultation. Apart from that, if you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases or fertility issues, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. We have seen by how homeopathy is more or has more benefits compared to allopathy in female reproductive organ diseases. Now we will let you know why Fidelis Homeopathy is the best choice. Remember, Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. We have had high success rate in treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Good success rate is there. Apart from that, transparent treatment. We do not have a gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will tell you about your prognosis and about your condition as well. And the personal care here at Fidelis Homeopathy is top notch. We will be answering you all of your unanswered questions, your myths, and whatever doubts you have about your condition. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a better life, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.